If you're looking for a clean solution on how to mount your 4-pin connector for your trailer lights to your Honda Civic or any car with a lower mount diffuser like this connector holder that I'm showing here is a 3D printed part that I sell, and the link is in the video description for how to order through Race Builds. It's a very simple design that nests the connector between two plastic pieces and bolts up through the diffuser. Made out of PETG plastic. In this case, I did a little sanding work to this and just painted it flat black to match my Honda Civic's diffuser here. But these will be shipped in the raw plastic finish and include full stainless steel hardware. This can be installed on a diffuser or any flat material that is up to 1/4 inch in thickness. And this is specifically designed only for the Curt 4-pin connector housing. So please verify yours looks like the one in this image shown right now before ordering. If you want to learn in detail how to get the wiring to this point as shown in this image here, I have a full install DIY for how I wired the trailer lights into this 11th generation Honda Civic. Just please note this is a 3D printed part, so the finish won't be absolutely perfect when you receive it, but like I mentioned, I did some very elementary sanding work to this one and hit it with a couple coats of flat black spray paint to make it match my OEM diffuser. I think it looks really good on there. It's super stealthy. It's out of the way. You don't see it when you're walking around the car. It's there when you need it to hook up your trailer wiring. Thank you guys for watching this video and checking out the product. I'll see you guys in the next one.